Welcome to Homeopathic Adda. This is your host Dr. Gautam Das. Let us carry on our Adda today on sepia sickness. Nature of sepia sickness. Introduction. Sepia is a sickly, lean, thin, anemic lady with great weakness and relaxation of muscles, internal organs, especially of pelvis. Sepia is extremely sad, weeping, crying without reason, very indifferent to her child and husband. Sepia is extremely chilly, aggravated by laundry work, aggravated in damp, watery atmosphere. Mental and pelvic symptom with bearing down sensation or actual prolapse of pelvic organ are chief guide to sepia. Sepia is a deep-acting antipsychotic medicine needs when case become complicated due to misuse of homeopathic medicine. Description of the cuttlefish. Proving of cuttlefish. Empirical application. History and authority. Key points. Sadness, weeping, indifferent. Relaxation of uterus due to excessive bleeding, excessive sexual abuse, or bearing of any child. All got empty feelings in abdomen and fullness in rectum. Relief by physical labor, aversion to bath. Sadness, weeping, indifferent. Mainly female as well as male are also needed. Disappointed began after marriage. Dreams of her future become ideal wife, ideal mother, but unable to reach or mature herself as an ideal due to her physical weakness and develop irregular menses, uterine pain, dyspepsia, finally lost her emotion and became indifferent. Fearful, fear to be alone, but aversion to crowd. Weeping, but not explain why she is weeping. Changeable mood or mentality quarrel when meet the family members, but when alone, unable to stay. Relaxation of uterus due to excessive bleeding, excessive sexual abuse, or many child bearing. Lean thin male-like pelvis of the woman. Abortion, recurrent or after delivery, uterus becomes so damaged that prolapse of uterus, even when sitting, standing, laughing, sneezing may develop. Natural growth of development to a woman is in her motherhood, but sepia patient cannot become an ideal mother or an ideal wife before her child or husband. She tried but cannot. Excessive menstrual bleeding, sexual excess, excessive breastfeeding, broken down her health and damage her childbearing power, prolapse of rectum may develop. Menarche delay. Just before onset of menses, tongue always become dirty and become clean after menses. Insanity at menopause. Aversion to sex, sexual acts are painful. Liver disorder, jaundice, anemia, patient become pale, brown spot on her face. Abdomen enlarged like pregnant mother. Organ empty fillings in abdomen and fullness in rectum. Due to empty organ fillings in abdomen, sepia patient take foods more and more and ultimately lost start digestive power and become suffering from acidity, dyspepsia, vomiting, abdominal pain, ball-like sensation not only in anus but in throat, in head, in abdomen, in uterus, especially in hysterical women. Abdomen looking large and appetite are also more than enough. Constipation, stool hard as like ball, pain in rectums during and long after stool, feelings of weight or ball in anus, not amulet after stool, instant arch of stool, passes wind or mucus only. Alternate diarrhea and constipation. Intolerance of milk causes diarrhea and aggravate bile complaints. Prolapse of rectum during stool. Warts on anus. Relief by physical labor, aversion to bath. Headache, backache, very chilly, aversion to take bath. Mucus discharges, breathing difficulties, stiffness of whole body when wake up from sleep and gradually become normal from motion. Old sciatica. Burning sensation and pain are ascending. Palms and soles are warm to touch. Smelling of cooking food nauseates. Salty taste in all foods, aversion to salt. Abdominal pain aggravate after taking foods, aggravate after vomiting also. Car sickness, vertigo during sleep, leg become cold when fever coming with chill, intolerance of sea bathing, CPR as a patient. Image of cuttlefish and its ink. That's enough for today. Bye bye till for next episode. Namaskar.